Hey, quick mobility flow here to practice some concepts, the in-range holds and the up dog rotation. Let's go ahead and start in world's greatest stretch with the left foot forward, right leg back. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna only turn the shoulders to the left, pull the bowstring, and let's hang out here for 3 full breath cycles and just try to rotate and extend more with each exhale. Here we go. Great job, great job. Okay, now let's do the same thing, turning the shoulders to the right. 3 breaths. Expand the belly and rib cage with each inhale. Rotate a few more degrees with each exhale. Keep that right glute squeezed and still. Great job. Okay, left foot back. Right foot forward, same thing. We're just gonna pull the bowstring, turning the shoulders to the right. 3 breaths. Expand the belly and rib cage, then exhale, rotate more and extend. 2 more breaths like that. And down. Now let's do the same thing, turning the shoulders to the left. Great, great, great. Okay, cool. Let's go right foot back. Quick down dog. Bounce those shoulders a little bit. And drop to your up dog. And let's do an up dog rotation, shoulders to the left. And let's hold it for a 3 count. Let's do an in-range hold. Here we go. Keep the glutes squeezed. Straighten that right leg more to create more of a stretch across the front of the right hip. Great job. Face forward. Rotate to the right. Straighten that left leg more. Squeeze that left glute harder. And just try to separate the left rib cage and left hip. And break. Okay, just a quick one to practice a couple concepts and combine them in some different ways. Glad you made time for it. I'm sure you're glad you did now. I'll see you in tomorrow's practice.